Straps coming over. Got it. Bar sliding in. Locked. All secure.
Movement and responsiveness are normal. Noted. Cross-verifying with the label. Confirmed. All metrics match. Vitals stable. Ready for extraction. Confirmed. Tags verified. Proceed to extraction. Holding tube secure. Needle is sterile. Confirmed. Label matches monitor. Digital status is green. We're ready. All clear. Proceed. Snake tube secure. No leaks. Vials labeled and sterile.
Monitor's nominal. Ready.
Confirmed. Proceed. Vial 1 is at capacity, prepping the next. Copy. Monitor 2 is stable. Good. Watch the flow rate. Volume confirmed at 5.0 ml. Label matches. Sealing now. All snakes calm. Final check complete. Drawing 5 ml now. Confirmed. Tablet shows 5 ml target. Dispensing to scale. Scale reading matches. Proceed. Labeling verified. Volume and conditions confirmed. Ready for storage. Sample inserted, processing, anomaly in lipids, noting it. Batch 4721, labels verified. Digital results match, pH and purity are within range. Confirmed, this batch is cleared for storage. Batch 2021, labels accurate. Confirmed, all packs sealed, packaging integrity verified. Batch 2024, shelf 567, confirmed, screens are synced. Proceeding to next batch. Trays from truck, batch SS25. Matches processed serum. Good, floor placement complete. Batch 25 confirmed, quantity matches. Copy that, shelf is ready. Batch 2024 is 1, 2026, safety instructions match.